Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to register your scanner for the first time. You do not have to register your scanner to access diagnostic tools, but you do need to have an account in order to run updates on your scanner. So you can go to Updates tab here, or you can go on the first page of the home screen to this My Account. It'll do the same thing. You're going to select Sign In, and you're going to select Free Registration. Now it's going to ask for an email. I'm going to put in a temporary email that I pulled off of a website. And then once your email is in, you're going to select Send Code, and you're going to check that email's inbox. Once you've got the code in your email, you put it in the verification code line. And then you can put in your password. Once your password's been put in, you can just hit this button here to agree. And then registration is complete. You're going to hit Submit, and then this serial number on the back of your scanner will be registered to that email that you just used to sign up. And now you can go ahead and run updates. Registering your scanner makes it a little bit easier for our software development team to look into issues with your scanner, if any were to arise. And it allows you to update your scanner regularly. We recommend doing regular software updates to keep everything running smoothly on your scanner. Once your updates are complete, your scanner should reset. If it doesn't, you need to restart it manually by holding down the power button until you see a restart option appear. Like this, and you're going to want to select that restart button. This is an example of the scanner restarting automatically after updates, or in the middle of updates sometimes. If you haven't run updates in a while, or this is your first time running updates, you'll run into a screen probably like this. And that's just your scanner warming up and running as many updates as possible. Usually when your scanner has to restart like this, it will take a while, and you just have to be patient and wait. Once your scanner is restarted, you'll be taken back to the home page. I would recommend running updates one more time just to make sure that everything is working properly, but you have officially signed in to your scanner. If you run into any trouble during this process, you can always email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.